Your business background is quite extensive, and how does that give you a leg up over Mr. Walsh, who is a 30-plus year career politician?
Well, I think it gives me a huge advantage. From the very beginning, and as an Air Force veteran, as an air traffic controller, through my business career, I worked for a company and have managed people, have made payrolls, have put my own money on the line for my own businesses, and taken the risks that so many small business owners have. Whether you work for a company or you own a company, I think it's important that you see what's going on every day, and I don't know whether career politicians really know what's going on every day. You might hear about it, might read about it, but you really need to live it to be in touch with the people.
You know, you're like I don't know how to say this, but you're like the outside guy compared to the inside guy. Now, the difference between, from what I read about both of you, is that you do have an extensive business career. I mean, we're not just talking a small business like a mom and pop shop. We're talking about a multi-million-dollar business that you build up from nothing and put together. On the other hand, Mr. Walsh has got all those contacts over the years. He's got them in the legislature. He's got them in during his time in the Senate, and certainly his time as Jackson Township supervisor and those types of things. Do you overcome that? I mean, certainly there's got to be an element of politics that you know that you're going to have to face.
I do, but those really separate the differences between us, and that's the choice for the voters this November. The salary of the county executive is certainly not the motivating factor for me to run. It's to prove to people that this can be done right, that we can have honesty, we can have integrity, that the people can be proud of their government leaders. There just isn't enough of that. And when I got asked to run, I weighed all those factors, and I think we can get it done.
Your family weighed the same?
Absolutely. First person I checked with was the boss at home, and she's squarely behind me, and we have a wonderful family. My wife's an attorney in town, Victoria. I've got 3 kids. I'm a new grandfather. My mother-in-law lives with us at home, and I checked with her as well. And all the friends and family. And to be honest with you, it's a wonderful experience. I've learned a whole lot in the last really almost 2 years now that I've been running.